Yes, everything is bigger in Texas. You see the big blue crab up there on the roof? Well, that was caught right here in Galveston Bay. Yeah, right. We had crabs like that out there, you wouldn't be worried about sharks. You'd be running from the crabs. We're moored to 3 feet above sea level on the port side. Then they began building the seawall itself. By 1905, they had 3.5 miles of the seawall built. And in 1915, we had another storm cut through that was worse than the one in 1900. But since we had 3.5 miles, UKW. The D is for the year it was built back in 1942. The U is for the utilitarian or amphibious use of the vehicle. And the K and the W have to do with the 2 and the 4-wheel drive. Well, they built about 21,000 of these ducks during World War II to transport troops from ship to shore. They were built at a cost of about $4,500 a piece. And they were built by the General Motors Corporation.